Welcome back to Primetime News. A special welcome to the folks on onespotmedia.com. A reminder as well that you can watch TVJ live by downloading our One Spot Media app in the Google Play Store or the App Store. That's the number 1 followed by the words Spot and Media. We are queens, not prostitutes, the assertion from residents of Mount Salem who are angry that the authorities have once again used misleading data which they say is continuing to stigmatize the area. In a presentation on Thursday, Managing Director of the Jamaica Social Investment Fund, JSIF, Omar Sweeney, said more than 80% of women in the community are involved in prostitution. JSIF has since sent out a release clarifying the statement, but the residents are still upset. TVJ's Giovanni Dennis reports.
Let's put in the media about the good things of our...
This was the reaction of the 2017 St. James Festival Queen and youth leader Olivia Shaw. Ms. Shaw, who is a resident of Mount Salem, says she woke up to the misleading report that said 85% of young women in her community are involved in prostitution. She says residents are now finding it difficult to welcome authorities with open arms because it's the second time in less than a month that incorrect information has been put in the public domain about the community.
Sometimes we have to really think about the things that we say, and just from the beginning of the special zones, when there was incorrect data placed out in the media, again, that affected us. Now, I understand that they're coming here with the special zones to fix our community, but at the same time, the brand that they're putting out and the reputation for Mount Salem citizens is not a good one. And we are not in the position to welcome them with open arms anymore, because we're trying to understand you're here for something good, yet you're telling the world that we are the worst.
She says while an apology has been forthcoming, residents are being affected and so too their employability. In the meantime, Councillor for the Mount Salem Division, Kerry Thomas, says the comment was disrespectful and should never have been said.
Even if you have data to that, you should look at it, you should verify it first before you come out and make such irresponsible utterances, not taking in consideration all the women. First of all, we started with wrong data. In declaring the Zoso zone, now we come and we attack the women. What next?
Mr. Thomas is insisting that actions be taken and the comments should not be allowed to slide.
Mr. Sweeney needs to make an apology, and I would urge the Prime Minister to remove him as a deputy chair for the social intervention. His general position as a starting point is not the right one for the community.
He says since Mount Salem has been declared a zone of special operation, information being used to make decisions do not stand up to scrutiny. And speaking on RJR's hotline with Emily Shields on Friday, the Deputy Chairman of the Social Intervention Committee for Zozo, Omar Sweeney, clarified that he used data from a focus group conducted by the Social Development Commission SDC in January 2016 and that he was wrong to use the term prostitution.
I think it is unfortunate, and I did say it, and I want to correct that. No, that to say it is prostitution, because sex for money is not necessarily prostitution. And it's a composite number. The actual numbers on the females was 70% of teenage females, and that came out of a SDC focus group study that was done in Salem in 2016.
In a news release, it was also revealed that the actual focus group from which the data was used contained 46 persons, which had a mixture of both males and females between 13 and 19 years old. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.